I went there to do a beer tasting and it was nice to just casually look around. I recommend making a reservation in advance because the tickets sell out right before you go. It was nice because it was an N number 39, T hot inside, and the 1 to 4:00 and number 39, clock time slot was really crowded and it was hard to move around. However, the peanuts they gave you with the beer tasting were really delicious. There are lots of goods, so look around a lot. Personally, I enjoyed Hall B, where you can enjoy the beer factory and tastings, more than Hall A, which was about the history. The Tsingtao Beer Museum is quite large. We visited Hall A and Hall B. Besides seeing the history of Tsingtao beer, you can also tour the beer-making process. The ticket includes a glass of unfiltered beer and a glass of draft beer, which tasted excellent, probably because it was freshly made. It was fascinating to witness the history of Tsingtao beer and some of its manufacturing processes firsthand. Above all, it was truly remarkable to see the consideration given to those who have difficulty climbing stairs, for example, ramps and elevators. I bought my admission ticket for KK Day, and it was very convenient, just show the QR code at the entrance. However, it was so crowded that it was difficult to see everything properly. Pre-purchased museum ticket was the right choice as the K on the spot was confusing and long. Price are the same as buying on the spot, so always be prepared. Ticketing is available via QR code. You and number 39, LL needed to enter Hall B. 2 beers are included. The selection of beers varies from time to time. You can easily buy tickets on KK Day and enjoy a relaxed visit to the museum. It and number 39 is a very interesting place. The museum is very large and nice. Tsingtao beer has a long history. It and number 39 is delicious and fun. Two beers and honey peanuts. Enjoyed the meal. Thank you. I liked that it was affordable and easy to enter. Hall A is closed, only Hall B is open for visits and tastings. A sample drink is quite refreshing, and you can even take home a bottle of beer or a can of beverage.